In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Reddit traffic in Google Analytics. Start by opening Google Analytics and landing on the home screen. This is your starting point in GA4, and it helps confirm you are in the right property before you begin drilling into reporting. From the left-hand navigation, click on Reports. Reports is where Google Analytics organizes your standard performance dashboards, including where your traffic is coming from. Inside Reports, click on Acquisition. Acquisition is the section that focuses on how people arrive at your site or app, whether that is through search, social, referrals, or direct visits. In many GA4 layouts, you may see Acquisition listed again as a subsection. Click Acquisition there as well to make sure you are viewing the full acquisition report options. Next, select the report called Traffic Acquisition Session Primary Channel Group, sometimes labeled as Default Channel Group. This report is designed to show how sessions are grouped into channels like organic search, direct, referral, and more. Click into that same traffic acquisition report to open it fully. Once the report is open, you will be working with the main table. Find the dimension selector at the top of the first column. It may currently show something like Session Primary Channel Group. Click on that dimension name to change what the table is organized by. In the list of available dimensions, choose Session Source/Medium. This view is important because Reddit traffic is usually categorized as a referral, and this dimension lets you see the exact source and medium, such as reddit.com/referral, instead of only the broader channel grouping. Now go to the search or filter field associated with the table. Click into it and type your highlight term, which in this case is Reddit. As you type, the table will narrow down and focus on rows that contain that term, making it much faster to find the specific traffic source you want. When you see reddit.com/referral in the results, click on it. This selects that source so you can focus on its performance metrics, like sessions, engagement, and conversions, based on how your report is configured. Finally, click Highlight again to keep that selection emphasized, so it is easier to read the numbers tied to Reddit traffic without losing your place in the table. And that is all there is to it.